Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off commenting on Instagram posts. So guys, first of all, open your Instagram application on your phone, and after that you are going to open your profile on your Instagram. So you can tap on this profile button, and on your profile button you're going to select the post that you want to turn off the commenting. And for example, I'm going to select this post, tap on the post, and you are going to click on this three dots button, and there will be several options for you, and you just need to click on turn off commenting. Okay, and now the comments are off. And if you want to turn off commenting on another post, you just need to do the same step. You can select the post that you want to turn off the commenting. For example, I'm going to select this post, then click on this three dots button, and we can simply tap on the turn off commenting. And alright guys, that's how we can turn off commenting on Instagram posts. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.